ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ wa ẹ wo ẹ farabalẹ̀ fún wa lórí ìkànnì ilé ní ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ fídíò wà lẹ̀ tá a máa play fún yín nítorí ẹni tó ń pè ní Yeye Kudi ohun rèé tó wá tú àwọn àṣírí pẹrẹpẹrẹ àwọn àṣírí tẹ́ ẹ gbọ́ rí nípa MC Oluomo orí ìkànnì ilé ní ẹ máa gbọ́ ṣé ẹ mẹ́rin tó ń pè ní Mariam ọmọ VC àti Yinka Solomon ẹ mọ̀ pé Yinka Solomon ló gbé Mariam fún ẹni tá à ń sọ yìí yẹn MC Oluomo kó tó di pọ́n ní one night stand dẹ̀ rèé wọ́n ló doyún MC Oluomo dẹ̀ rèé ó lóun ò gbóyún àwọn àṣírí tó wà ń bẹ̀ òun rèé tá a mú wọn fẹ́yìn lólùfẹ́ wa láti jẹ àǹfààní ẹ̀ lẹ́ni gẹ́gẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ti mọ̀ pé bá a ṣe ń ṣe lórí ìkànnì pé ẹlẹ́rìn rófó ni wọ́n á ṣùgbọ́n gbogbo tá a máa ṣòro fún lórí pátá àti máa ṣèwádìí alóní fínífíní kó tó di pa àwọn afẹ́ lólùfẹ́ wa láti máa jẹ àǹfààní ẹ̀ tó bá dẹ̀ jẹ́ pé ìgbà ọkọ̀ ní tẹ̀ ẹ́ ń darapọ̀ mọ́ wa lórí ìkànnì bá a subscribe kó like kó comment torí pé kó lè máa jẹ àǹfààní kọ́ńtẹ́ǹtì ìbílẹ̀ nígbàkigbà àti òrèkóòrè gẹ́gẹ́ bá ti sọ Yeye Kudi ó tú àwọn àpọ̀lọpọ̀ àṣírí pẹrẹpẹrẹ nípa MC Oluomo ẹ wò ó kó má dàgbà àfọ̀pá pọ̀lọpọ̀lọ péjù ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ lẹ́nu Yeye Kudi.
You remember?
ẹ tún wá fi mí lẹ̀ lọ́rùn náà ẹ tún wá sọ̀rọ̀ mi ibo ló rìn sí báwo ló ṣe kínní ibo ló ti ń rówó tó fi ń ṣe business wọ́n lọ travel wọ́n ló ti ní boyfriend wọ́n ló change sọ́ọ̀nì wọ́n ló ṣe kínní kan ẹ sì bẹ̀rù ọba tó dá yín bẹ́ẹ̀ kẹ́ ní ẹ̀yin náà oyún ọmọ àlè lẹ́gbẹ́ fọ́kọ yín lè nà án ẹ jẹ́ káwọn èèyàn fi yín ṣẹ̀sìn kọ́ lọ́wọ́ kẹ́ wá tọrọ àforíjì fọ́lọ́wọ́n bá pé tí ẹ wọ́n lágbé mi ò tí oyún olóyún mọ́yàn kan lọ́rùn forí ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ mi jì mí mo ti ṣẹ̀sìn Ọlọ́run bá foríjì mi yóò foríjì ẹ̀. wá mú àlúlùmọ́là bí ṣe bí àlúlùmọ́là ní Ìlọrin wọn pè mo fẹ́ tún ó wá mú papọ̀ ó wá mú everything pọ̀ ó wá gbóyún ọmọ àlè ó ń sunkún ní kọ̀rọ̀ pé mi lọ bọ̀bọ̀ ni I swear to God Oluomo I swear by Allah mi lọ bẹ́ẹ̀ èmi gbá sí rẹ̀ mi ò ẹ̀mí ọbẹ̀ yẹn torí owó èmi ò lẹ́sìn torí owó. Òun ti ẹni tó ní òtí alákọ̀ọ́kọ́ ó jẹun pọ̀ òun tẹ̀lé kejì ó jẹun pọ̀ most of you a lot of things mo rí lórí page ìjòrò ọkọ ẹ ló fẹ́ ṣe DNA ẹ̀rú ń bà ẹ́ why tó bá mọ̀ pé o ready for marriage why do you have to get married in the first place why are you scared? àwa sì ń sọ pé a fẹ́ ṣe DNA obìnrin mi ò lè sọ pé òun fẹ́ ṣe DNA why are you scared? Why?
Wait, dúró ní sùúrù. She's using style to tell the man that her bestie married pé kó lọ ṣe DNA ni o. That from this talk you can see where she's using style to tell her bestie's man. And those ones too, after she did this chat, they came out in the snow. One pick his snow up. One Johnny no snow. One she India. Dominique. Ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn kàn wọ́n lára. One da snow sára ara wọn. So just so that you know mọ̀ pé àwọn náà gbọ́ cry out yìí o. So ẹ jẹ́ ká máa bá lọ.
Most of yín gbogbo yín tá ń sọ yìí náà gbogbo yín kóra yín lọ sí nínú ẹ lọ fi ṣẹ̀sín gbogbo yín náà mọ bọ́rọ̀ ṣe jẹ́ ẹ̀ sì sóòótọ́.
It's people in the industry.
ọ̀rẹ́ Adúnọlá ni mo jẹ́ Adúnọlá ní another friend lájọ́ ṣọ̀rẹ́ ó wá introduce ọ̀rẹ́ ẹ̀ yẹn sí mi Adúnọlá àti ọ̀rẹ́ yẹn wá ní misunderstanding èmi ò ní bá a dùn já pẹ̀lú ọ̀rẹ́ kò kàn mí o tó Ọlọ́run bá máa bí mi bí tágbà kó máa ti ń dé nìyí.
Sobbing people that.
Àforíjì o mo reason òun fẹ́ nǹkan Ọlọ́run bó ń ṣọba ká ó ní kò sí àdúrà tó máa gbà lóru làlá tó record yìí tó wọ́n ní gbà.
She's sobbing people that are keeping malice with her because of that her bestie in the industry. So I hope people are getting this thing because I can't play it from beginning again. You have to watch yesterday's chat.
Kó bá wa délé dáadáa fáwọn náà. I was for a lot of things. Are you advising me or you're trying to attack me? Èmi àti ẹ mọ̀ pé advice tí ẹ̀yin fún mi kò ṣe torí Ọlọ́run. Torí kẹ́ lè máa rówó gbà ni. Ní ọjọ́ tó mọ̀ mi wá ṣe birthday, ẹ wọ́n send pictures ra yín pé don't use her. No, don't use it. Àfẹ́ kó Oluomo bínú. Oluomo máa bínú gan o. ẹ má lo Zenith Oluomo máa bínú tó bá lọ lo Zenith Oluomo sọ pé ẹni tó bá lo Zenith ó máa ṣòfò ni. ẹni tí mo trust náà sọ fún mi pé ẹ̀rù ń bà mí Ọlọ́run mi ò ní lè lo Zenith mi ò ní lè lo Àbẹ̀bí jọ torí Ọlọ́run mi fẹ́ kó lu ọmọ bínú.
ẹ̀bẹ̀ ó yẹ kó o ti mọ̀ pé àwọn yẹn nínú industry yẹn àtẹnujẹ ni wọ́n.
after gbà yẹn wá rò pé kí gbogbo ẹ̀ kó dán mọ́. ẹ rò pé kó make sense ó lè jó lu ọmọ ló rán yín mi kẹ́ ó lè jẹ́ ìyẹn lẹ́sàn tí yín kò kàn mí.
àtẹnu ni gbogbo yẹn.
ẹ tún wá fi mí lẹ̀ lọ́rùn náà ẹ tún wá sọ̀rọ̀ mi ibo ló rìn sí báwo ló ṣe ṣe kínní ibo ló ti ń rówó tó fi ń ṣe business wọ́n lọ travel wọ́n ló ti ní boyfriend wọ́n ló change surname wọn wọ́n ló ṣe kínní kan ẹ sì bẹ̀rù ọba tó dá yín bẹ́ẹ̀ kẹ́ ní ẹ̀yin náà oyún ọmọ àlè lẹ gbé fọ́kọ yín lè náà ẹ jẹ́ káwọn èèyàn fún yín ṣẹ̀sìn kọ́ lọ́wọ́ kẹ́ wá tọrọ àforíjì fọ́lọ́run bá pé tí ẹ wọ́lá pé mi ò tí oyún olóyún mọ́yàn kan lọ́rùn forí ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ mi jì mí mo ti ṣẹ̀sìn Ọlọ́run bá foríjì mi yóò foríjì ẹ̀. wá mú àlúlùmọ́là bí ṣe bí àlúlùmọ́là ni.
kí ni yìí repeat ara ẹ̀ ní 30 minutes ni ṣùgbọ́n
ìyàwó
don't repeat ara ẹ̀.
wá mú everything pọ̀ wá gbóyún ọmọ àlè ń sunkún ní kọ̀rọ̀ pé mi love bọ̀bọ̀ yẹn I swear to God Oluomo I swear by Allah mi love ẹ̀ èmi gbá sílẹ̀ mi ò ẹ̀mí ọgbà yẹn torí owó èmi ò lẹ́sìn torí owó.
don't repeat ara ẹ̀.
òun ti ẹni tó ní òde alákọ̀ọ́kọ́ ó jẹun pọ̀ òun tẹ̀lé kejì ó jọ almost of you a lot of things ni mo rí lórí page jòrò ọkọ ẹ ló fẹ́ ṣe DNA ẹ̀rù ń bà ẹ́ why tó bá mọ̀ pé o ready for marriage why do you have to get married in the first place why are you scared. àwa sì ń sọ pé a fẹ́ ṣe DNA obìnrin mi ò lè sọ pé òun fẹ́ ṣe DNA why are you scared why. most of yín gbogbo yín tẹ̀ ń sọ yìí náà gbogbo yín kóra yín lọ sí nínú ẹ lọ fi ṣẹ̀sín gbogbo yín náà mọ bọ́rọ̀ ṣe jẹ́ ẹ̀ sì sóòótọ́. ọ̀rẹ́ Adúnọlá ni mo jẹ́ Adúnọlá ní another friend tájọ́ ṣọ̀rẹ́ wọ́n introduce ọ̀rẹ́ ẹ̀ yẹn sí mi Adúnọlá àtọ̀rẹ́ yẹn wá ní misunderstanding èmi ò ní bá a jà pẹ̀lú ọ̀rẹ́ kò kàn mí o tó wọ́n náà bá gbogbo ẹ̀ náà ni kó jẹ kò sí beauty kankan àǹfààní tó ní láyé ni kó change kó tó di pé o kú ìwọ tó bá ní ọkọ tó jẹ́ pé ọmọ àlè ló gbé fọ́kọ pé baálé rẹ ló rú pé it's very this is God don fight it's very bad I want to say something say it jẹ́ kó lé jáde jẹ́ kó fi ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ sí jẹ́ ká yé rí ẹ kó ti fi ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ sí ẹ̀sìn Ọlọ́run bá ọmọ kó máa ṣe náà kékeré tó máa ju ẹ tó máa ní iná tó lágbájá gas fire Ọlọ́run ròyìn iná tọ́lọ́run bá ròyìn tó bá jẹ́ni tó bá àwọn afá bá tú ọ̀rọ̀ iná fún ẹ wàá máa sun burúkú ẹ̀ tán ni. mi bí ìtú èèyàn if you are my friend if you want to dey for me salaam alaikum if you are not there dey go. business mi tí mo ṣe ti bá jí lọ́dọ̀ Ọlọ́run máa sọ fọ́lọ́run bá àlékè ọlá pé kọ́sọ́mà alábàáríkà ni mo fẹ́ mi ìfẹ́ kọ́sọ́mà tó máa fún mi ní stress. tó bá wá fún mi ní kọ́sọ́mà yẹn owó tó bá wá fún mi yẹn sí gain tó bá wà bẹ̀ jẹ́ kí n fi rí nǹkan ṣe má jẹ́ tọrọ jẹ àìní má ṣe Islam mọ́ má fi sọ̀rọ̀ mi má jẹ́ rí àpàdà sí aburú kẹ́lí mọ́ ti ṣáádà ní kó gbẹ̀yìn mi má jẹ́ jọra mi lójú má fi mi pò bí mi lẹ́kún má fò bí mi pa mi lẹ́kún ṣé ọmọ mi alálùbáríkà ṣọkọ alálùbáríkà fún mi ṣé mi lẹ́lẹ́mi dáadáa o ṣé mi lẹ́lẹ́mi dáadáa má ṣe mi lẹ́lẹ́mi aburú tí màá má rí tí màá lọ gbọ́ ọmọ ọkọ fọ́ máa lè ìmọ̀ bí majority yẹn ṣe ń sùn nínú ilé pẹ̀lú ẹni tẹ́ love ẹ ti marry wọ́n ti fi ríǹgì sí yín lọ́wọ́ wọ́n dẹ̀ san sàdáàkì yín àgbákò tó tó láyé yìí ó sì ẹ dẹ̀ máa wà nù lé ẹ máa gbá síbí ẹ dàpọ̀ ọkùnrin mẹ́ta bí mi orí máa fọ́ yín ẹ̀ nínú ẹni tó lọ mọ́ ẹ jí lóru ẹ sọ pé ọkọ mi mo ti ṣàṣìṣe foríjì mi ọkùnrin tí ó bá foríjì ó foríjì o ọmọ I don't even know because mo ti busy ju kí n máa mọ̀ lọ. mọ̀ lọ kí ló dé màá tí màá dà mí ìkọ́ṣẹ́ ojoojúmọ́ ni mo máa ń jí ṣe tàájìdì lórí kí tó di ilẹ̀ sí mọ́ màá lọ sí kínní mò ń ṣe kọ́ọ̀sì màá tọ́jú ọmọ mi wọ́n ní kó lóun ṣàánú mi kó wọ́n jẹ́ yín apàdà sí aburú ọlọ́run má jẹ́ rí má jẹ́ tọrọ jẹ má jẹ́ kán dáwó fún mi má fi sickness má fi tèmi mọ́lẹ̀ ọlọ́run gbogbo ìgbà tí ìgbà kúba ìkẹ́rì mọ́ ti ṣáádà ní kó gbẹ̀yìn mi wọ́n fi mí ráre a lot of people ṣe àwa alhamdulillah pé mi ò ṣe anybody alhamdulillah pé mi ò ṣe anybody mi ní ṣẹ́yìn. ẹ lọ gbọ́ ọmọ fọlọ́mọ ṣèbọn máa lè lẹ́pẹ́ sí wa ẹ sọ fọkọ yín lóru pé súlẹ̀ wọ́n kọ́ ló lọ́mọ kó sì forí jì ọ́ torí tọ́lọ́run bá bọ̀ dá sí nígbà tó bá yá ìwọ́gán ẹ̀rọ ọlọ́run ó bà ọ́ ọkọ mi àdùn ìní sọ jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ sọ ti tó kò sí wàhálà ẹ̀yin tẹ̀sẹ̀ wa náà tẹni kan ní kán má wíṣì Olúọmọ ní kán má wíṣì ọmọ wa happy birthday ẹ pẹ̀lẹ́ ẹrú owó ẹrú owó. I'm so sorry, dear Mariam. I'm sorry. I know I've messed up. I'm so sorry. I don't want ẹrú owó. I'm so sorry, dear Mariam. I'm sorry. I know I've messed up. I'm so sorry. I don't want Ayinde to feel bad. Mi ò nílé wish Zinat happy birthday. Please forgive me. I love you. I don't want him to know that we are talking. Ẹ̀yin náà kú oríire. Àtúbọ̀ táwọn ni.
O lè máa ní ẹ̀yin ara industry yìí ṣá. O lè ní o. So ọ̀rẹ́ yá wá bímọ. So sorry just to believe her, if it is true that when she gave birth and celebrating the child, and you people that are in the industry that are her friends, you begged her behind and said, please, I don't want Oluomo to know. I don't. It's bad, but ẹ jẹ́ ká máa sọ lọ, ẹ jẹ́ ká sì gbọ́.
Ó kàn dúpẹ́ pọ́lọ́run pé wọ́n rí mi pa lọ́jọ́ kìíní àná. Wàhálà ìbọn bá pa mí àwọn èèyàn ti move on.
Exactly.
Àwọn èèyàn ti move on. People ma ti move on. Ẹ fi ṣe ká normally ni. Bí nǹkan bá kú ní ìsìnkà lẹ́yìn kí n sunkún kí n sì mọ sábà fún. Èmi ò move on, èmi ò jẹun. Yes, má jẹun. Yes, I will eat. Because that's the normal thing. A máa jẹ Ìlọrin wọn fi mo dákú sí ọba kúnra àwọn ti sin ọkú tó dìrọ̀lẹ́ o. Wọ́n ti mọ àtijọ́ wọn ti mọ pé mẹ́mẹ́ àtògì wọn fi ṣe sàrà fáwọn yẹn kọjọ sàrà tó dé o. Wọ́n á mọ ṣàdúrà fún wọn bẹ́ẹ̀ títí. Tó bá ti wá ṣàdúrà fún ẹ after 21 days before kó tó di 21 days àwọn lọ́jọ́ yẹn gẹ̀ẹ́sẹ̀ àwọn èèyàn ò jẹ àyè tó bá nífẹ̀ẹ́ lè mọ jẹun. Wọn ò pé tí bá kú nísìn rábí àtàdùn wọn ní jẹun lọ́jọ́. Àwọn wọn kírun wọ́n ṣe normal thing. Àdúrà ìwọ jẹun lọ́jọ́ sísá Mariam my sister. Àmì ẹ̀dá kan fà náà bíbẹ̀ yín. Láìfò kọ́ńtínú àdùn ó lọ bí iṣẹ́. Àdùn ṣe ilé ayé ẹ̀ rábí máa wà ókè. Ìfẹ́ tó bá kù tẹ fẹ́ ṣó mi ẹ̀ kàn máa ṣó rẹ̀ sí Zinata láàyè. Ṣé wọ́n mọ̀ pé ní tó ṣe dáadáa? Adéjọkẹ́ gan ó sunkún. Yóò sunkún yóò fẹ́ sunkún pa. Àmọ́ láìfò kọ́ńtínú. Gbogbo dáadáa tó bá kù tẹ fẹ́ ṣó ẹ̀ wà mọ̀ ṣó rẹ̀ sí Zinata. Kíní kan wà tí wọ́n sọ fẹ́ dà tó bá ṣe dáadáa láyé pé ọ̀nà mi jẹ̀bi ẹ̀ náà. Kíní kan wà tó jẹ́ pé ó máa sọ fẹ́ dà láyé pé àyìn tí mo ṣe yìí ò dáa. Àlàyé fọ̀rọ̀ lẹ̀ jàre kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? Olòṣì lọ́mọ yẹn kíní kan lọ́mọ yẹn tẹ̀lé rí. Gbogbo ẹ̀ lọ́lọ́run obìnrin ẹ ti fi rẹ́kọ̀dì ẹ̀ kẹ wá jókòó ẹlòmíì nínú yàrá ẹ̀ onìkan ló wà ní bó ṣe ń wo fídíò yìí. Ó lè má jẹ́ èmi. Ó lè má jẹ́ ní tí ó dá ó ti ṣe nǹkan tí ó dá sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀ tó ti trust ẹ̀ rí ó ti ṣe a lot of things rí. Àwọn èèyàn tó jẹ́ pé èèyàn burúkú ni wọ́n manipulator ayé ni wọ́n smart gan tó máa sọ̀rọ̀ àwọn èèyàn máa believe nù. Ṣé láwà tó yẹ pé àwọn èèyàn sọ̀rọ̀ púpọ̀ yìí á fi gbogbo ẹ̀ lọ́lọ́ lọ́wọ́ àwọn èèyàn lèèyàn burúkú àwọn aláàdá àwa náà ń wín ní. Àwọn tẹ́ rò pé èèyàn gidi àgbá kò ṣe wọ́n lé wọn fà nǹkan ṣe wọ́n tẹ́ ìmọ̀ fà. àwọn ẹni tẹ́ ẹ sọ yìí àgbá kò ṣe wọ́n tí wọ́n nílé sọ síta fa wọ́n ti kọ́kọ́ pọ̀ tí ara wọn bí olówó bí ẹni tó wà òkè kódà wọ́n máa ń tọrọ owó lábẹ́lẹ̀ àwọn tó yẹ pé tóun bá tẹ̀lé wọn lọ sí pàtí wọn ní jẹun àwọn tó yẹ pé wọn ra bẹ́ńsà fún wọn gbalé fún wọn wọn parọ́ pọ̀ tẹ̀lé ẹni tó lọ mọ́ wọn sí ṣọ́ọ̀bù fún wọn wọn rí bísínẹ́sì ṣe o wàláhì rọ́bùlù káàbà wọ́n dẹ̀ máa ń yọ wá lóru tá a máa ń mọ̀ ẹlòmíì ló sọ pé òun máa ń kẹ́dùn ní àmọ́ ìtara pé kínní olóòbíkú lọmọ yẹn aráyé ẹ má dàbí ẹ̀rù lọ́wọ́ ló ṣe yan ní ó pretend ni èmi ẹ̀ wọ́ṣíìpù owó ẹ̀dá tí máa ń forí balẹ̀ fọ́lọ́run tó gbọdọ̀ forí balẹ̀ fún nǹkan mọ́ ìwọ tọ́nà dáhìn sì sọ pé èèyàn ni ọlọ́run bá tó gbé ọ débì kan ó mọ̀ kó débẹ̀ lọ́jọ́ kìíní àná ọmọ tiwa náà jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ ayé ò lè wọ́n gbalé fún yín àwọn akọ́kọ́ ṣe máa ń wá lálẹ́ lóru fídíò rẹ̀ wà lọ́wọ́ mi àwa ní lọ́wọ́ tẹ bá tún wọn sọ́dọ̀ Mariam ó tún wá rẹ́rìn ṣàbí kò sí ẹni èmi lè gba ẹ̀gbin mọ́ra gan mo dẹ̀ lè pretend tí wọ́n ní tí bá dédé kí ìran ńlá wa ẹ̀ sì bú sẹ́kún wàláì mi ní sọ pé alihamudulilayi rọba ìkà mọ sunkún mi ní mọ nǹkan tó ṣe mí mo lè wà lórí sùjúdì kí n kà mọ sunkún pé àwọn èèyàn ti betray mi láyé tí mi sì sọ̀rọ̀. ẹ sì bẹ̀rù àti sùn lórí owó iná ọlọ́run bá ní kẹ́ ẹ ní owó tẹ́ni ní billions of naira tẹ́lẹ̀ ṣiṣẹ́ sí pẹ̀lú owó yín. ọba tí mo fi ní ṣẹ̀sìn ká lólówó lè ra kú ni àmọ́ èèyàn tí olówó tí ò ní kú wọn bọ̀ ọ́ bí ọlọ́run pa gbogbo wa yóò dá alẹ́ yóò wà tún ṣá òní ò kì í ṣọjọ́ ọ̀rọ̀.
You heard Mariam just spoke, and yesterday I read the story. You people, the summary of it is that Mariam was in the movie industry, Nollywood industry. I bet you all know her, and that was the lady at one point last year, sometime February 1st last year, 2024, that cried out and was saying to all of us that we should help her beg, or she alerted us stating that MC wanted to buy her because she had a child for MC, and MC doesn't want that child. She didn't explain there that MC didn't want the child, but that was basically the story. Now, this lady was introduced to MC via Oluomo Yinka Solomon. You all know her. Okay, they were besties in the film industry, movie industry, and when the going was good, you know, like they rightly would do. The story had it allegedly, but you know they will always come out and deny it, even with tears, or some of them will say it's not true. But allegedly, it was that Yinka was dating MC, and after she introduced Omo VC to MC, and Omo VC at that time was also reigning, and they said MC, you know, the name they gave MC is that he's a souvenir. Everybody, especially the pretty ones, they've all had a taste of him, and I think they do this in exchange of money, because it's not so can you just go and taste, you know. So like this server will say, there is no, the good looking ones, majority of them in the Nollywood industry, none has succeeded, have been gone through that part without MC having you. He must chop you, you must take him as a souvenir. That's the story, allegedly. Now, when Omo VC was introduced to MC, it was meant to be one night stand. You know, cases like that have happened. Like the case of Bisi Omo Logba, that was the same thing that one in Canada, I've forgotten her name now, did. She was the one that introduced, they are from Igbira. She was the one that introduced PC to this guy. oldest bachelor. And it seemed like when they do it and they see that you begin to get serious, which happens to even us that are not in the industry world. It happens when you will see somebody introduce you to a man, a guy, and the guy is taking you to the altar. You see that friend will still go back and go and scatter it. What's in Shele? So tagging it to Nollywood is because the same people that are in the world are also the same people that are in Nollywood. Lola Lao, thank you. Did the same thing to Bisi Omo, Lugba. Many cases like that. You understand? It's those that speak theirs out. That's when you will hear it. But many cases, if you ask many women, they've been through it. If you want to talk about majority of women that will say, I have been betrayed, it's their friend. It's their friend. Especially on man matter, it's their friend. So that's how this lady was introduced by Solomon, Yinka Solomon Ogomushin to MC Oluomo. Unfortunately for MC, but fortunately for her, I will use fortunately for her. This is Mariam now, because she got pregnant, took in, and she told MC about it. Meanwhile, when she told MC about it, stories had it that MC declined. You understand? MC no one belle. She was basically meant to be one night stand. And of course, Yinka Solomon had gone back to MC. Then they planned together. Because Yinka Solomon, as far as we learned then, allegedly went back and started dating MC because she was meant to be one night stand. So that was how MC Oluomo started, threatening her and told Yinka that this will ruin my political career. As at that time, it was, they were still campaigning. It was not, they were campaigning on, presidential and Lagos State. They've not even voted at all. But just so that, if people that start hearing that another Nollywood don't born for MC and all those will bring down his reputation and say, this guy, so very forbearing, Toleni. And so he had ambition, of course, to be compensated for all his efforts in campaigning and all those things. So he didn't want any scandal or controversy of blah blah. He didn't want it. So he insisted that, told the customer that we will go about it. Okay, don't give this girl money anymore. Because when you sleep with MC, they used to give them money. All of them used to give them, as we so heard. So that was how the relationship ruined. So stories have it allegedly that Yinka Solomon, this lover, then all of them carried that this person have gone back to, was still sleeping, and they were all of them too. They were still sleeping with MC Oluomo. It's according to, and at that time also, it was even this girl's matter that ruined the relationship between MC and Yeye. Remember Yeye? It was when because MC and Yeye, they were doing their shenanigans on the social media then. You understand? People remember one time MC was driving, but his MC car or his car, and he was doing us like this, all those shenanigans. So basically, if you all remember that time, it was this lady's story, scandal, that made Yeye to, you is doing me. Now you see when to impregnate somebody in the industry. What with me, as high and big and mighty as I am. Even remember they went to lobby Yeye to go give her a blessed memorial to Olu of Ibadan. Oh, they went to go and Toma here, MC them so that they will give a title in our Yoruba land all the way from Ile Bini. They wanted to give her title. They wanted to give her one big title. She Iyalode ni àbí Iyalade mo title Rakatia náà gbà yẹn. Kolon Fọ̀rúnkẹ́ bàbá wa Olú of Ìbàdàn. So all those things, he now went from that part after this girl scandal left MC, jilted him and went for another guy, an Igbo guy at that point, if you all remember. I don't know if you follow up all this story, these are things that it's important, because it's celebrity sweet gist and gossip. Anyways, back to Omovi. So after Omovi eloped that time, she was crying, anything happened to her, blah, 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 blah. Let's not call Pada Kodo. If anything happened to her, it's MC already. MC should, if she buys, you should hold them. So if our daughter buys, so Zinat is the name of the daughter. We saw that Zinat. No, to be sincere, I don't know. No, let God forgive me. That child looks like MC. Emi Oshabo. That child looks like MC, but unfortunately, they were at loggerheads. Because the picture we saw, the child looks too much like MC, but I don't think they ended up doing DNA because MC, that's clearly, we were told, allegedly said no, he don't want pikin from this lady. So that's how we didn't hear from her again. And behold, suddenly 2 days ago, she now updated. Some people have been watching her. Me, I don't know anything about after that time. We all told them, see, it has happened. He should try and do DNA. Why does he want to buy the girl? But I don't know if it's that he wanted to buy the girl or he wanted to threaten the girl to keep quiet and not ever even associate himself with her. And, he doesn't want any scandal. Maybe that's what happened. We don't know. But the girl came out and was saying they want to buy her, they want to shake Nikon, made it known that if anything happens to her, we should hold them. See, and with all the reputation MC and Koko Sare, all of them have in that Nigeria, so it was for her. I think she was doing that due our insecurity in Nigeria and all those things, so that if anything happens, at least we will know that it's MC them that buy her. And she said it that her child should not buy her child, should not buy her, because MC said he doesn't want that child. And the child is MC's child, allegedly by her. So when she came out now, she just came to cast, and she was speaking in a way. The only time she mentioned a name was MC's name. It was, she said, if it's your sub, come and pick it. People should screen record her. And every story she had to talk about, many of it, of course, seemingly looked like her friend's case, which is Yinka Solomon. So from there, we were able to understand that in her story, she was clearly saying that the person that Yinka Solomon is with right now in United States of America, she doesn't love that person. That is what she is claiming. Okay. Another thing she said, paternity fraud and all those things. She also blamed her industry, the people in industry, that, this is how they are. They are labosi, they are hypocrites. They did this. They didn't wish her, they didn't celebrate with her. They ignored her. They were all coming behind to tell her that the reason why they can't do it is because of Ayinde Oluomo. I think the MC Oluomo's pet name is Ayinde, and blah, blah. So she mentioned all that. She clearly mentioned MC Oluomo in her talk. And in everything, she said, at a point, she said, even if it and all those things. So it was MC's matter. She talked clearly about Solomon, Yinka Solomon and everything, obviously stating that they will go there, collect money. Because of money, they were worshiping MC, and she cannot worship MC, blah, 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 blah. And the girl, she should answer up herself. And so I tried to calm down and say, okay, after so long, why now? Why did she resurface again to say all this? Even in her narrative, she said, oh, her mother doesn't want her to talk. If her mother calls her right now, her mother doesn't even know she's talking right now. If the mother calls her right now, she will hands up, she will stop, she's not going to talk again. But right now, she just wants to talk, and she, in the end of it, she still says she has not said anything. She's just wants to hint a bit, but that she has not talked, that because it's not yet time to talk. That one she talk, God, is a lot too. If she come and talk, uncle. Anyway, I see a woman who is obviously battered, and she may think she's moved on, but no, she has not moved on, because she has not addressed the issue. I see a woman that, you know how it feels like when you feel betrayed by someone you supposedly took as your best friend, or you people are really very close. Then for you to find out that kokoro ton jefo, maybe it's there for lower. Do you understand? It has happened to a lot of us growing up as women. It's in fact, some people are in their early grave today as a result of these choices or the choices of friendship we delved into. Some people, their lives are ruined, or is ruined, not redeemable, beyond measure, due to the friendship they delved or are into. Do you understand? Some people today, their marriage has scattered due to the friendship they had or kept during marriage. Some people, their life, only very few, and I've said it in one of my when I defined friendship long time ago on Real Talk with Yeye Kudi. I said, Orebi Omoya, a friend like a blood sister, is very rare. I'm coming somewhere. It's very rare. If you ever come across, or God orchestrate one in your destiny or in your journey of life, guide such jealously, because some people never came across one during their lifetime. Some may be lucky, only one they will have in their lifetime. Some, they will be so unlucky, they won't even have at all. So if you do not understand what friendship is, you need to go and look. It's rare. It's rare. You need to go and look or read stories that can tell you they are still friends, even though very rare. Do you get me? So she obviously relied on a lady in the industry. And you know what it is? How can you birth a child for a man, and the man will deny the child, and your friend, is still going back to go and knock that person, and you probably never knew your friend was knocking that person. Then in everything, after your own life ruined, they scattered your journey and everything. But you will always say, in her talk, she said it, she blamed herself already. Maybe she was ready to do polygamy. Abi? Number two, she said it, she blamed herself. She said, as an unmarried or as a single, you are not even supposed to be benching. And so for her to even bench, can't still get belly, the guy told her, go and get rid of the pregnancy. She then said no, she refused to get rid of the pregnancy. She decided to birth the child, so that if she births the child, the man can come and buy the child. But that the guy wants to turn her stomach to a graveyard, no, she wasn't going to have it. Are you making sense? She blamed herself very well and very much, knowing fully well for this reason she has sinned and goofed seriously. Because for me, how can you take MC seriously? Someone that have, it's just like when that lady Bisi Omolugba had a child for Dinomilaye. Dinomilaye was like MC in the industry too. Do you understand? Then you now say that how many beauty do you want to have more than all these people that are also equally beautiful? Yes. There's one that is shocking all of you. You two, you would have known that this one is not, it's a national cake. Sorry. You want to act back here? You people are not even scared. The fear I have about many of you is the fact that you know that this man chokes all of you. And you speak so good English. You people speak very good English, well educated. This man you people are talking about, sorry to say, he's not educated. If we can excuse him, do you know why? He will say he doesn't know. Can won't we? But you people are educated. They have told you people protected sex benching, protected benching. At least it would have protected HIV, protected STD, and it would have protected pregnancy. 3-in-1 that condom. Erorama overlooking, and it would have prevented an unwanted pregnancy and this universal disgrace, because it's disgraceful for a man of you people's caliber. You are well educated, beautiful. Look at how so beautiful, naturally beautiful. The girl, as she's talking, I was just looking at her beauty. Naturally beautiful. Agreed, okay, you want to do runs. Why didn't you protect yourself? Because we can't continue to overflog issues and not address you people's mentality as well. You understand? We can't continue to overflog issues, and when I say overflog, is overflog MC and say, hey, MC is a national cake, MC is loose, MC is the, MC is the. What about you women that go and drop your pants for him? What about you people? You don't even pity your life. So, at the end of it, now you went on that journey, you received so much disgrace. You said it, she was heartbroken, she was betrayed, she was rubbished, she suffered. She just beginning to, God have just started putting things together, and she's doing fantastically as far as she has said, well now. But nevertheless, how embarrassing can it be for a man of, sorry, I'm so sorry. See, one of his wife is somebody that I like. I mean, I take her as a friend, but I will still say the truth be told. Someone of your own caliber, well educated as you are, it's really a shame. And tó ti ní àwọn ìyàwó mẹ́ta sílé already. Kí lẹ fẹ́ fún? Ṣé ọmọ lẹ fẹ́ bí fún? Ó ti bọ́kùnrin àbíró, ó ti bí obìnrin àbíyè. Okay, kí lẹ wá fẹ́ lọ bí fún o? Should have protected yourself. Kẹ́kú pa pé runs ni o. You know? So, ẹni tó mú ẹ débẹ̀ dẹ̀rẹ́, she's not ready to let go of the mullah. They only took you there to go and chop too, or maybe he demanded, maybe that's how they do it. Maybe when MC is sleeping with them as his babe, he will tell them, oh yeah, go and bring that one too, let me do that one too. Maybe that's how they do it. Then you that they took there, then they will come and displace you again. If you want to tebati, you don't know the difference between one night stand and one pimp. With the pimp. And many of you are like that in the industry, where you still sleeping with MC, but you give to them your friends. and it's not good. It's a bad, with how you cover your head now as a good Muslim. That's why they always say, don't judge anybody by anybody to borio, and be anybody tí ó wọ eringo tó fi bẹ̀rẹ̀ ti borio. No. Wow, it's our attitude, personality. When you meet us, you could judge what. If I cover my head like this, it doesn't mean that I'm responsible. If I don't wear a ring at all and I wear skirts tó dàbí ti jolomi o, Romania skirts o, kí wá máa bora, kí gbogbo everything o, kí má wear ring, kí gbé bẹ̀rẹ̀ ti Queen Elizabeth sórí o. Don't think don't judge me with that. Don't say that I'm Christ-like or I fear God. Lie. Get to know me. Oh. Get to know me, because you don't know what I am doing. Are you getting me? You see, what you do in the secret, tó jẹ́ pé Ọlọ́run nìkan ló rí, is the real you. That is you. I'm telling you, people, to God. What you do in the secret is the real you. So, as somebody like that, you are not even supposed to get pregnant for MC. Sorry, sad that ó ti ṣẹlẹ̀. Why? That's why I use the word fortunate. Fortunate for you, because you are happy you have a child. But how do you feel when the man that you have the child for, ní kò lọ yọ, kò to appreciate it, pé why is more or less you people chipping yourself for all these men? It's not good. It's not good. It's not good. Chipping yourself for all these men. It's not good. So now she's coming and withdrawing from her shell, because what I think now is that this other lady now, she's married to somebody in America. Some people, they are saying different story. Do you understand? But I think seeing it that she has bettered and moved on, some people are taking that Aranta Mariam money. More or less like they are saying it as if jealousy. She came to say all those things so that she can scatter Yinka Solomon's life too, because she believed that whatever happened to her, Yinka Solomon is the cause of it, ruined her relationship, went to spoil her for MC Oluomo. Can I say something? You can choose to do it that way if that is what you people think. But I can tell you people one thing. Yinka Solomon, if truly she has a hand in the downfall of her friend, you cannot go scot-free. It's not me saying it. It is the law of karma. And it is how this earth is like that. Kosini, that's why all this one she's doing now, if God sees that yeah, she too is going to still suffer it again. If God sees her intention, her heart's intention, that she means to, and Yinka has no hand in the messing up of the MC's relationship with her, and all those things. If Yinka has hand in it, truly Yinka was sleeping with MC and went to introduce her, and behind her again went to scatter the oath and everything, Yinka no majayai. We need that. One light like small liar say, ko need pe ko shepe. I'm telling you, ibi la ma wa, o ma ṣojú wa kò ní ṣẹ̀yìn wa, ikú ò ní pa wá, àrùn ò ní ṣe wá.
Ẹ káàbọ̀ padà sí ọ̀rọ̀ náà rèé tí ẹ gbọ́ tẹlẹ̀fúnjára yín rí. Ẹ gbọ́ nǹkan tí àwọn àṣírí tí arábìnrin tá à ń sọ tó fi léta. Ẹ rí pé ọ̀rẹ́ nínú ayé ọ̀rẹ́ máa ń tini ṣiṣẹ́ nì. Ọ̀rẹ́ ló mú Mariam ọmọ bíìsì tó mú lọ́dọ̀ MC Oluomo. Ìyẹn ni tán pè ní Yinka Solomon o. Ó wá di pé ọ̀rọ̀ náà dojúrú. Yinka Solomon dẹ̀ tún padà lọ́bẹ̀ gé ó tún lọ ń gba pọ́nrán bàbá. Ṣé pọ́nrán bàbá la mọ̀ sọ pé ó dùn ni, àbí ó ní àjọṣe kan tán jọ ṣe, àbọ̀njọ dúnàdúnà owó ni, àbí wọ́n jọ tá lérí owó? Ẹ wò, ilé ayé yìí nǹkan kíkan tí ẹ bá ti máa ṣe láyé ẹ̀yẹ́ kí èèyàn kan ṣe kó kàn tí ọkọ máa mọnú ara ẹ̀ tí ò bá sí Yinka Solomon bẹ́ẹ̀ bóyá Mariam ẹni tó ń pè ní ọmọ bíìsì bóyá ó máa pàdé MC Oluomo yìí àkókò mọ̀ tó bá ṣe wà láti kọ́ ṣe ó likely kó pàdé ẹ̀ ẹ wá wo ibi tí ọ̀rẹ́ ṣe kí ni tó ọ̀rẹ́ wá gbèdé ẹ wá wo nǹkan tí Ọlọ́run wá ń ṣe ẹ bọ́ọ̀ Ọlọ́run ṣe fi iṣẹ́ ẹ̀ bó ṣe ń fi dára nítorí pé wọ́n ní ìjọ tí ẹni tó bá tẹ̀ ń jẹ́ bá ti dẹ́kun ìbàjẹ́ ẹjọ́ ẹni tí ẹni náà bẹ̀ sí ń bàjẹ́ kì í kú yẹ pé a kún ṣèdájọ́ yín kẹ́ lórí ìkànnì ṣùgbọ́n bọ́ọ̀ bá yẹ tó bọ́ọ̀ bá ṣe yẹ la ṣe máa sọ. ẹgbọ́n kan tí Yeye Kudi sọ náà ẹ̀yin náà gbọ́ tiẹ̀ náà ẹ̀wọ́ yẹn lólùfẹ́ wa oríṣiríṣi kan ń ṣe ẹ̀yin náà ayé iṣẹ́ ẹ̀ka yẹn ká rọra máa ṣe ká dẹ̀ máa ṣe kí ni ká mọ̀ sínú wa nìkan gbogbo nǹkan kọ́ lèèyàn máa sọ fọ́ọ̀rẹ́ o ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ọ̀rẹ́ ló ti ṣe kí ni ló ti tìyàn ṣubú nílé ayé tó bá dàbí pa àpárọ̀ ni ẹ̀yẹ ká rò pín ẹ̀yìn comment section ọ̀rẹ́ ti gbé ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ èèyàn ṣubú nílé ayé tá a wà yìí nítorí pé jealousy nítorí ìlara ẹ̀rọ olùfẹ́ ẹ̀wọ́ ẹ̀yẹ ká rọra máa ṣe ó gbọ́ ọjọ́ ayé wa àkúníṣe kò ń jẹ́ àbí ọjọ́ ọ̀kanjọ́ ayé wa ẹ̀wọ́ ẹ̀yìn lólùfẹ́ wa èyí lárí tó ń káàkiri lórí ìkànnì ta ni pé kẹ́yìn nífi ṣe kí ni tẹ́ lè jẹ àǹfààní ẹ̀ tó bá dàgbé gbà ọkọ̀ rèé tẹ́ ẹ̀ ń darapọ̀ mọ́ lórí ìkànnì bá a subscribe kó like comment torí pé kó lè máa jẹ àǹfààní content ìpele àníríjù ìbélé lọ á tún máa pàdé wa nígbà tún nígbà míì ẹ̀yin lólùfẹ́ wa ẹ wo ó dàbọ̀.